students, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. In today's video we are going to learn how to create a group chat. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Charecter AI, then over here at the bottom you can see create a plus icon, tap on it. Here you can see group chat, tap on it. Here you see recent chat, so tap on all the chat you have and tap on the chats. Then over here you can create a group chat, tap on create group chat. Here you can see the option of invite friends as well. For now I'll skip that process. Here you can see our group chat has been created. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.